You're supposed to pull it. Pull it by the thing. She already has batteries. Hold it. Stop. Yeah, it already has lights. Oh my gosh. Where does it come with?
It should come with a magnet.
Yeah, I know.
In the bottom one.
Which one? This one?
The bottom one. This one? Bottom page.
Oh. There's nothing inside. It's just.
Guys, this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Ready to mirror. You should open the first one you took out, the big one.
This one? Oh, this one was at the back.
Oh,
I would just
Oh, there's a magnet. It's a watermelon. I think we all got watermelons.
so cute. For the ice.
Lollipop. I've never tried these before, but I know. Yes, for the ice. But the ice is real good. actually.
Uh-oh.
I think it's the other side. Yeah, it's the other side. I think, right? Cause then if it's that side, then the food is gonna fall out.
So like that?
Yeah. Like the little wall has to be, yeah.
Oh, there you go.
And then this one too. And this one, not. I don't think this one. There you go. Okay. No. You put it. Now you put it. Yeah, there you go. And now you just put. Let's put let's get the tweezers out, and then let's put it like right here. Okay, there you go.
What is this?
It's the Jello, but that's resin, so I don't think you want to use it right now. Like, but it's orange. That's like what's gonna be the Jello mixture.
Oh, okay. So where do we put it back in? Where do we put
Yeah,
it?
just take it out and just take everything out and just put it back in. Yeah, just do it like that. Wait, what's inside that?
I don't know, like a little.
Is it a miniature?
I don't know. Do I
Wait, wait.
Where do you want to open it?
Oh no, it's a plate. Here, you open it. Oh.
Lollipop.
Lollipop. Have you ever tasted a lollipop? I mean, olipop?
No, I think I did, but
Those with the little tangerines. There's tangerines in there. Don't drop them because they're really miniature. Yeah, there's tangerines in there.
you dropped in the left. There's only two.
No, there were supposed to be 3.
Also on this side.
Cynthia, you're about to throw my extra tangerine mandarin.